we allowed to go again?
What's up, people? I'm gonna open 2 packs of this Roaring Skies. So let's see what we get. Okay. So let's open this. I barely got back into this. Ooh. Okay. Let's do what everybody else does. 1, 2, 3. Man, I try to do this online code thing. I bought a new Apple Pad Air, iPad Air. My bad. And yeah, I barely found out that Apple took away the redeeming code section. Well, now I can't redeem all my freaking online codes that I want to redeem. I guess I'm gonna have to go get a computer, or or go to somebody's house, or one of my friends' house, or something. I don't know. But let's see. We got this Pokey Switch.
Dad.
I'm not good with the names right now. I'll just show you what we got.
Daddy, you like cartoon?
Oh yeah, look at that one. Ooh.
Dad, you like cartoon?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that one.
What's that?
Reverse Hollow.
That's cool.
Oh, it's rare. It's this dude. Ah. Okay, now let's see this one. Ooh. And later on, I'll open up this one.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, that is cool. Okay, let's see. Let's do what everybody does.
Dad, what's not like that in me? I thought.
We got this white lens. Spirit in. Steven. Yeah.
What is it? Dad, you like cartoon. Look, you like cartoon. Daddy.
Didn't we get him in the other one? Huh. We got 2 of them. Look at that. Back to back. And
You gonna get me? I want to dad. Rebel?
Nothing good. And then I got him.
I
had opened this pack up earlier. I'll show you what I guys got. I didn't record it. Let's see. We got him. See what I got, you guys. Nothing good. I kind of like how that looks.